Sympatholytics. Now, in the previous lecture, we studied sympathomimetics. What is the difference between sympathomimetics? Mimetics mimics the action, the same action, or we can say which activate the sympathetic receptor. Now, sympatholytics. Lytics. Lytics means opposite, antagonist.
To prevent the adrenaline from the receptor.
Yes, it is the antagonist. Now, in the previous lecture, sympathomimetics means which activate the sympathetic receptor, but sympatholytics means which blocks the sympathetic receptor. So, objectives to be covered in the today's lectures. We have to describe the pharmacology of the alpha and beta adrenoreceptor antagonist, pharmacological actions of these alpha and beta blockers. We will see what is the alpha and beta blockers, contraindications and adverse effect of alpha and beta blockers. Okay. Sympatholytics, the drugs which blocks the sympathetic receptors are called sympatholytics. The drugs which blocks the adrenergic receptors are called adrenergic receptor blockers. How many names for the same terminology? Sympathomimetics, same. Sympathomimetics, sorry, sympatholytics. We can say adrenergic receptor blocker, same. We can say alpha blocker, same. We can say beta blocker, same. We can say alpha adrenergic receptor blocker, same. And if we say the beta adrenergic receptor blocker, it will be specific for the beta. So sympatholytics means the drugs which blocks the sympathetic receptor, and its opposite, sympathomimetics means the drugs which activates the sympathetic receptor. So today we are going to discuss about the lytics, the blockers. It is also important. We have to block sometime. We have to block the receptor sometime. So the drugs classified adrenergic receptor antagonist. If there is an adrenergic receptor antagonist, we can also say adrenoceptor. Same term. If you see, please see on the screen, it is adrenoceptor. If there is adrenoceptor, it is a combined word, compound word, adrenergic receptor. So adrenergic receptor, we can also say adrenoceptor, adrenoceptor antagonist. These are classified into three categories. Some drug only block alpha adrenergic receptor. Some drug will only block beta adrenergic receptor, and some drug will block both, mixed blocker, that is alpha and beta adrenergic receptor. Yes. Which are the alpha adrenergic receptor blocker? Means these are the drugs which blocks only adrenergic receptor. These are the drugs which blocks only adrenergic receptor. These are classified alpha adrenergic receptor. These are classified as non-selective blocker. Non-selective because alpha receptor has the two subtypes, alpha 1 and alpha 2. In the non-selective blocker, these receptor will block alpha 1 as well as alpha 2 activity, and the name of the drug is phentolamine phenoxybenzamine. These are the drugs which blocks the both receptor alpha 1 and alpha 2. Selective alpha 1 blocker. These are the drugs which only block only alpha 1 receptor. The name of drugs are the prazosin, terazosin, doxazosin, tamsulosin. What is the location of alpha 1 receptor? Where is alpha 1 receptor is located? And what is the location of alpha 2 receptor? Alpha 1, yes, anyone?
In the eyes.
Postganglionic of smooth muscle.
Which one?
Alpha
Alpha
1.
1. And alpha 2? Alpha 2?
Presynaptic. Presynaptic.
Presynaptic. Yes, presynaptic. Alpha 2 is available in the presynaptic where it controls the release of adrenaline and the noradrenaline. While alpha 1 receptor available postsynaptically in the blood vessels. In the blood vessels. So here,
Doctor,
yes,
why we use sympatholytic?
yes. I will come to this point. Don't worry. Selective alpha 1 blocker. Selective alpha 1 blocker, these are the prazosin, terazosin, doxazosin, tamsulosin. These drugs only blocks the alpha 1 receptor. Selective alpha 2 blocker. This drug only blocks the alpha 2 receptor. Yohimbine. The name of drug is yohimbine. Then we have the beta blocker also. Beta blocker, beta, the short form we can say beta blocker. So beta adrenergic receptor blocker. And which are this beta adrenergic receptor blocker? These are also we have the three main receptor: beta 1, beta 2, beta 3. But in clinical practice, we need only block to beta 1 and beta 2. No need for the beta 3. So that's why we are classified as non-selective blocker. It is non-selective. It will blocks the beta 1 plus beta 2. And the name of drug is propranolol. Please make a friendship with this drug, propranolol. You will get good marks if you do the friendship with the propranolol. Yes, because this is the most of the important drug from the beta blocker, like the propranolol. It is used in many indications we will see. So we have to make the friendship with the propranolol. I am focusing on the propranolol. Then second drug, which is non-selective blocker, which block the beta 1 plus beta 2 receptor is timolol. If you see the last name, suffix is olol, olol, olol. If the suffix is olol, keep in mind that it is a beta blocker. We have also selective beta 1 blocker. Where is the beta 1 receptor located? Where is the beta 1 receptor located? Location of the beta 1 receptor. Yes. Anyone?
In the heart,
In the heart. And where is the location of the beta 2?
lungs,
Not lungs. Don't tell the lungs. Say the bronchi.
bronchi.
Yes. Selective beta 1 blocker. It will block the only beta 1 receptor available in the heart. Which are this drug? Atenolol, bisoprolol, metoprolol, acebutolol, ismolol, pindolol. What is this? All suffixes with the olol, olol. Please keep in the mind that if the any drug end with the olol, 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 it is the beta blocker. We have also mixed blocker. The drugs which blocks the alpha plus beta. We have the two drugs, labetalol, carvedilol. Labetalol, carvedilol. It will block the alpha 1, beta 1 plus beta 2. That's why we call mixed blocker. Now, this PDF I made with the drug link. Suppose example here, alpha adrenergic receptor blocker. If you click on the phentolamine, see any drug here, any drug name you click, you will go to the landing page of the Medscape. Now you have less than a minute. If the meeting is discontinued, please join again with the same link. So see, if you click on this drug phentolamine, you will go to the landing page. I will give you some. Just click on it. Okay, you are moved to the landing page. Yes, this is the landing page of the Medscape, and you will get all the information of the phentolamine. What is the information? It is available here. Dosage. See the left corner. Dosage, interaction, adverse effect, contraindication. Warning means contraindications. Pregnancy, use in the pregnancy and the lactation, pharmacology, administration, all you can get here. All you can get here in the Medscape. And if you click adult, pediatric for the children, if you click the geriatric for the old person, the dose, you will get all the dose. And this Medscape is a trusted site and international reference. You can use it for your study purpose of pharmacology. In the left corner, you will get all the information. Suppose I click on the pharmacology. See, what is the pharmacology? Yes, you will get the mechanism of action, pharmacokinetic, all is available in the Medscape. So you will go to the directly to the landing page. When you click on the drug name on the PDF file, same PDF file, just click on the drug name, you will be moved to the specific landing page with the drug informations.